Hey everyone, Technomentary with the video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix your iPhone if you're having charging not available, liquid has been detected in the lightning connector, or you're getting this message. So you're going to follow these steps in order to resolve this issue. The very first thing to do is very important that you do not charge it, because this could damage your phone. So if you take it out of charging, if you're trying to charge it because you don't want to charge, the next thing to do is inspect the charge port down here to see if there's any liquid. Sometimes what you can do is simply tap on it to see if there's a liquid that comes out on a napkin or a microfiber cloth. Just go like this to tap out any water to dry it. Don't overdo it, just lightly do it to basically dry the port. Now, the other thing you also want to do is if you happen to have a fan or something, a light, nothing with heat or anything, just see if you can turn on the fan to dry it out as well. Or if you have a compressed air, try to lightly use that compressed air to dry it out as well. So those are different ways to dry it out. Now, the other thing you also want to make sure is, along with that, is your actual charging here. So sometimes the charging can also get water. You want to make sure that you clean it out, make sure it's dry. Same exact process. You don't want it to be wet, and you want to wait till it dries. There's no reason to rush, because if you do rush, you could potentially cause even more damage to your phone. So you want to make sure you follow these steps if you're getting those. And the other thing you want to do is that if you happen to have maybe a different charger that got wet, try the different charger as well. Now, if you did all of this and you waited long enough and you found that it's dry and you're still getting that air, you want to follow this step. You're going to want to quickly press and release the volume up, volume down, and then hold on to the side button until the screen goes completely black and the Apple logo appears. So I'll do quickly press and release volume up, volume down, and then I hold on to this side button just like that. And you want to wait until the screen goes completely black. Try not to touch the screen during this process, as it will mess up the process. So here, as you can see here, I'm holding down on that side button, waiting for the screen to go completely black. And once I see the Apple logo appear, I let go of that side button. And if it doesn't work the very first time, keep on trying it. So you're going to quickly press and release the volume up, volume down, and then hold on to the side button. This is shutting down the phone software, reloading the code. So if it's a software related issue, even though your phone charger and the lightning or the charging port is dry, it will go ahead and fix it. And once you're back in, you should be able to go ahead and charge it again. Again, this method will not delete any of your data, so you'll be good to go as well. Now, if you're also finding that you did all of this, it's dried, and it's not working, and you still have charge, you can try to also do a software update in your settings. Go to General, and then Software Update, and update your phone to the latest version, because it could be a bug where you keep on seeing that message and your phone might have been dried completely. So go ahead and follow all these steps, and I hope after that your phone is fixed. And if so, please consider the like and subscribe button. Also, if you found a better way to fix this issue, share it in the comment section. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys next time.